So now we are at the seventh problem, and if you realize that the sixth problem was so easy, it would hardly take us around 15 seconds to answer. There would be some questions which would be time consuming, and this is one such question. This is not at all tricky, but it will definitely be consuming your time. So the question says which of the following expressions is equivalent to A XOR B XOR C? We need to know one of the properties of XOR, that it is odd one detector. Odd one detector. So if I have A B complement, A is true, B is false, it is going to give me 1. Or if A is false, B is true, then XOR gives me 1. So XOR, the formula for XOR will be A B complement plus B A complement. So this is how XOR works. Now when we know this thing, we can proceed with the question. So there are several ways to solve it. One such way is to put values, but that would be very much tedious because here there are 3 variables. So we have to put 2 to the power 3, which is 8 different values, to find out which one of them works, and that is a very tedious task. So we can give it a try. Like, let me put 1, a to be 1, b to be 1, and c to be 1. 1 XOR 1 will give me 0, and 0 XOR 1 would give me 1. Now if I put the same value 1 1 1 here, this would give me 1, because OR operation is there. This will be 1 multiplied by 0 plus 0 plus 0. So this will give me 0. So A is surely not going to be the answer. Similarly, we can proceed with the Bth option and Cth option, but those are not going to give us the proper solution. So let's do it the hard way. Let's proceed with it the hard way. See, the problem says A XOR B XOR C. So this will be A XOR B XOR C. No, A XOR B multiplied by C complement, or C multiplied by the complement of A XOR B. A B complement plus B A complement whole complement. Yeah, so this is what it boils down to. Now here also we have A XOR B, so this would be A B complement C complement plus A complement B C complement plus this thing. So this is C multiplied by, we are going to apply the De Morgan's rule. So this will be A B complement whole complement multiplied, the OR operation will be converted to multiplication operator, and this would be B A complement whole complement. Now this thing will be C times A complement plus B multiplied by B complement plus A. Yeah, so this would boil down to C multiplied by A complement, which would be 0, plus A complement B complement plus BB complement, which would be 0, plus AB. So the input variable A XOR B XOR C, this is actually equivalent to A B complement C complement plus A complement B C complement plus A complement B complement C plus A B C. Now I can see a pattern that this looks quite similar to this, but I'm not quite sure about it. Obviously A is not the answer, even B cannot be the answer, because by using the Bth option I'm never going to get ABC. So even this cannot be the answer. C or D is going to be uh, our prospective candidates. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, so just like your college professors, I have tried to erase everything before you could note it down. Now we have to just check this option, Cth option. If this is not correct, D is going to be the answer. So let's proceed with the Cth option. This says ABC. I'm not going to check it. Obviously, I can see ABC here, so I'm not going to check for it. Now let's proceed with A complement times B XOR C plus B complement times A XOR C. Let's see if this thing is equivalent to these three terms. If that is the case, then C is going to be the answer. So this will boil down to A complement times B C complement plus C B complement plus B complement times A C complement plus C A complement. Okay, so this will boil down to A complement B C complement plus A complement C B complement plus B complement A C complement plus B complement C A complement. Okay, there are four terms here now. So can we remove some of the terms? Yeah, there is one term which is same, A complement B complement C, and here also we have A complement B complement C. So we can dissolve them. See, x x x or x. This is going to be x only. So why not dissolve them? So this should boil down to A complement B C complement plus A complement B complement C plus A B complement C complement. Now are these two things same? Are these two things equivalent? The three terms here. Yeah, I can say it. Even we got this and we also got this. So yeah, C is going to be the answer.